Ah, Yosemite. It's beautiful, it's historic, it's iconic, but in this video, I'm sharing 5 things you should know before visiting Yosemite National Park, including a few hidden downsides, some helpful planning tips, and even some cool surprises most people miss. The last one is actually amazingly cool. So let's get into it. First up, Mirror Lake Loop Trail, which sounds like a nice easy loop, right? Wrong. You look happy. We are not happy. Oh. Because it's a Mirror Lake Loop Trail, but guess what does not loop? This trail.
The trail.
The other side is nice and flat and paved, and this side is rugged. Rugged's a very kind word. It's very rugged and steep. And we're like, okay, yeah, we'll do it for one side, and then the other side looks super nice. You get better views of Half Dome back there. But no, we're walking back. In late spring, the snowmelt is at its peak, so the water is high, cold, and deep, making it nearly impossible to complete the loop unless you're ready for a much longer, steeper detour. Or, like this one person, roll up your pants and walk slowly across, which they were the only brave person that did it. We ran across many people that wanted to go across just like us, and then we're like, it doesn't go all the way around unless you go much further, where it turns into a single file line trail. Are we lost? Oh wow, look up there, it looks like a ski slope. Are we going the right place? Is there no way to get across? Yeah, Mirror Lake is not quite as pristine as I was thinking. It's a little marshy. I think Mirror Lake's coolest feature is that it's perspective, because you have to look super high up in order to see the top of it. Pro tip, bring a walkie-talkie if you have a large family, or just 2 people, it's fun. So, when the bus drops you at the trailhead, which is stop number 17, know that whichever trailhead you start on, that's also your way back. The left side is a wide, paved path. The other, a rocky, narrow, very uneven trail, which is good if you're more the avid hiker type, but it's not the side with the nice beach area and restrooms. That's on the paved side. Definitely would recommend the paved trail. Also, in summer, Mirror Lake often dries up completely and turns more into a meadow. Just something to be aware of when you're planning your hike. Number 2, the drive is longer than you think. Yosemite has 5 entrance gates, but the south entrance is by far the most popular. And if you're staying outside the park, like we did in Fresno, you're looking at over an hour just to reach the gate, and then another full hour just to get to Yosemite Valley. So here's the tip, wake up early. Not only will you beat the crowds, but you'll also save yourself from sitting in long car lines burning that super expensive California gas. And hey, if you're visiting from another time zone, jet lag might actually work in your favor for waking up earlier. There's true vacations where you relax, and then there's Yosemite, where you'll need to wake up early to enjoy the park with less stress. You'll thank me later. Number 3, the bathrooms are rough. Okay, I wish I didn't have to say this, but it's the truth. The bathrooms were bad. Really bad. The south entrance restroom at 6:30 in the morning, already filthy, they did not clean it at all. The mist trail bathroom near the bridge, even worse. Trash everywhere, smelled horrible, clearly not cleaned for a while, and these aren't porta potties, they're actual flush bathrooms, which somehow makes it worse. So, maybe pack some hand sanitizer, wet wipes, tissues, and pack some lower expectations. Number 4, this one's really exciting. There is a cave and it just reopened. This is a hidden gem. Crystal Cave just reopened summer 2025. This marble cavern is only accessible via guided tour and tickets go fast, so be sure to book in advance. It's also a steep half-mile walk to and from the entrance, and the cave stays a chilly 50 degrees. And finally, number 5, I found all of these absolutely amazing. Yosemite breaks records 3 times that I found. There might be more. Yosemite is home to 3 incredible record breakers. First, Yosemite Falls. This is the tallest waterfall in North America at 2,425 feet. It's most impressive in the spring, April through June, but it can dry up by late summer. The second record broken the grizzly giant. This is one of the very oldest sequoia trees on Earth, possibly over 3,000 years old. You'll find it in the Mariposa Grove, which is right next to the south entrance. Mariposa Grove is also home to over 500 giant sequoias. And number 3 impressive record is at more than half a mile high and 1 mile wide. El Capitan is the tallest exposed vertical face of granite on Earth. Also, if you can pack it, bring some binoculars and you can watch the climbers on the face of El Capitan. And did you know that climbers take an average of 3 to 5 days to reach the summit? One thing I have found that is so true for Yosemite is you need good neck muscles, because everything here you gotta look way up, like way up. Even if you're in the valley, even if you're in the Mariposa Groves, you gotta look up at them. Yosemite is 100% worth the trip, but the experience is so much better when you know what to expect, what time of year to visit, and how to navigate. So stay tuned for more of my travel videos about Yosemite and other places. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or your own Yosemite tips in the comments below. See you in the next one, and happy travels!